box. You can see the cable. The 12 cable come in here, and it can be splicing here. And this is a drop cable going out from this position. Okay, so then zip cable go in from here. You make a hole here, and the cable goes in, and you can splice in here. The splitters will be here, or here, or the second trail, and the rest fibers will be here. And then the splitters are always the connectors, and then they can be connected with the adapters. And when you finish the splicing, you seal the box. Finally, you want to connect the box to the end user. You can use the cable like this. This is the simplest way to do the connection with the rubber. And this is the adapters already. And okay, this is the cable adapters with the rubber, and we take off the cap. This is for the waterproof. It's not good as IP65, but I think it's IP54 is enough. So it can help the connectors from the water. So enough, okay. This is the second solution. The adapters is same as the first one, but this tube is different. It's the waterproof is better than the first one, and I will send the assembly video later. The last solution is this 100 connectors. This also called plug and play, and this is more easy for the installation, but the cost might be higher than the first two. So it just needed to plug and play, take it off and plug it in. It's enough.